Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate branching, which is the if, then, or else statements. I'm going to start off with the actual if statement. So if, and then I'm going to put the little caret here so I can activate the input box at the bottom. And if the input box is greater than 4, then I want it to repeat 30 times. And I want it to draw 50 pixels. And I want it to turn left 200 times. And then I'm going to put next so it can repeat the command for the 30 times. So that's my if statement. Then I'm going to do the else statement. So for the else statement, I want it to repeat 80 times. And then I want it to draw 700 pixels. I want it to turn left at 500 degrees with an angle. And then I'm going to put next so it can repeat the command. And then it's going to end, so I'm going to put the end if. So for the first command, it should draw like a star shape, and then for the second one, it should draw some triangles. So let's go ahead and test that. So I'll start off with a number greater than 4 for the first command. Okay, so there's the star shape. And now I'm going to try the other statement. So I'm going to put 3. And there are the triangles. And that is all.